friends, in this session we are going to learn about the muscle attachments of upper limb. The upper limb is also called as a upper extremities. So before learning about the muscles which are present in upper limb, so let us learn the definition of muscle. So what is the definition of muscle? A muscle is a band or bundle of fibrous tissues in a human body that has the ability to contract, producing movements in or maintaining the position of parts of the body. So muscle is nothing but a band or a bundle of fibrous tissues of human body which has the ability to contract. Contracting ability is there for muscles, so it helps in the movement of the body also. So this is the general definition of muscle. So in this session we are going to learn about the general view of muscles which are present in upper extremities, upper limb of human body. So this session is not in detail. So this session is not in detail. So just we are touching how many muscles are present in upper limb and how many regions the upper limb has and their innervations. Okay, so let's get started. So the upper limb muscles are divided into 6 regions. So how many regions are present in upper limb? So there are 6 regions are present. So what are those regions? The first region is pectoral region. Pectoral region is nothing but a chest region. So pectoral region is nothing but a chest region. So how many muscles are present in the chest region? There are 4 muscles are present in chest region. Okay. So next, shoulder region. Shoulder region is nothing but the humerus, clavicle and scapula. These 3 bones combine to form a shoulder, where how many muscles are attached near the shoulder region? There are 8 muscles are attached near the shoulder region. Okay. How many muscles are attached? There are 8 muscles are attached near the shoulder region. Okay. So next, arm region. Arm region, how many muscles are attached? There are 3 muscles are attached. So 2 muscles are attached anterior to the arm and remaining 1 muscle is attached posterior to the arm. So how many muscles are attached on arm region? 3 muscles are attached, 2 are in anterior region and remaining 1 is on posterior region. So next, forearm region. Forearm region is subdivided. So it is divided into 2 compartments. So forearm, how many compartments are there in forearm? There are 2 compartments are there, anterior compartment and the posterior compartment. So there are 2 compartments are there. Anterior compartment is there and posterior compartment is there. So anterior compartment was subdivided into three groups. How many groups the anterior compartment is subdivided? Is divided into 3 groups. First one is superficial group, next one is intermediate group, and third one is deep group. So what is superficial group? How many muscles are present in superficial group? There are 4 muscles are present in superficial group of anterior compartment of forearm region. So there are 4 muscles are present in superficial group of anterior compartment of forearm region. Next, so intermediate group. So intermediate group consists of how many muscles? Only 1 muscle is present in intermediate group. Okay, so let let us learn first their innervations. So in superficial region there are 4 muscles are present, so except flexor carpi ulnaris, remaining other 3 muscles are innervated by medial nerve. So nerves, there are 3 nerves are present: medial nerve, ulnar nerve and radial nerve. So these 3 nerves we are going to discuss in the further sessions. So except flexor carpi ulnaris muscle, other 3 gets innervated by medial nerve. Okay, medial nerve. So next, so intermediate muscle, how many muscles are present in intermediate region? So only 1 muscle is present. So it is innervated, that one muscle innervated by medial nerve and ulnar artery. So medial nerve and ulnar artery. So next, deep region of anterior compartment of forearm region, how many muscles are present? There are 3 muscles are present in the deep region of anterior compartment of forearm region. So how many muscles? 3 muscles. So they are innervated by anterior interosseous of medial nerve. So which nerve is innervated? Innervated anterior interosseous of medial nerve. So anterior compartment, how many muscles are present? The anterior compartment of forearm region, how many muscles are present? 4 plus 1 plus 3. So there are total 8 muscles are present on the anterior compartment of forearm region. So okay, there are 8 muscles: superficial 4, intermediate 1, deep 3. So next, forearm region. In forearm region we are going to discuss about posterior compartment. So the posterior compartment is divided into 2 regions: superficial region and deep region. So superficial region, how many muscles are present? There are 7 muscles are present in the superficial region of posterior compartment of forearm region. So superficially 7 muscles are present, and in deep region there are 5 muscles are present. So all the posterior compartment muscles get innervated by a radial nerve only. Okay, only radial nerve, only this 7 plus 5, total 12 muscles are get innervated by the radial nerve. So 8 muscles are present in the anterior compartment of forearm region, and 12 muscles are present in the posterior compartment of forearm region. Total forearm region consists of how many muscles? There are 20 muscles. So 20 muscles are present in forearm region. So forearm is divided into anterior and posterior compartment. So anterior compartment consists of 8 muscles, posterior compartment consists of 12 muscles. Okay. Next, hand region. So human hand was divided into 4 compartments. Okay, what are the 4 compartments? So thenar compartment, hypothenar compartment, lumbricals and interossi. How many compartments the hand region consists of? There are 4 compartments. So thenar compartment consists of how many muscles? There are 3 muscles are present in thenar compartment. And which nerve is going to innervate the thenar muscles? Median nerve. Okay, so medial nerve is going to innervate the thenar muscles. Next, hypothenar muscles. So hypothenar compartment consists of how many muscles? There are 3 muscles are present, which is innervated by the ulnar nerve. So thenar muscles are innervated by the median nerve, and hypothenar muscles are innervated by the ulnar nerve. So how many muscles are present in thenar compartment? There are 3 muscles are present. Hypothenar compartment consists of 3 muscles. Same. So next, lumbricals. How many lumbricals are present in hand region? There are 4 lumbricals are present in hand region. So lateral side we have 2 lumbricals, and medial side we have another 2 lumbricals. So the lateral 2 lumbricals are innervated by median nerve, and the medial 2 lumbricals are innervated by ulnar nerve. So there are 4 lumbricals are present in hand region. Lateral 2 are innervated by medial nerve. Medial 2 are innervated by ulnar nerve. So there are 2 interosseous are present in hand region: dorsal interossei and palmar interossei. So dorsal interossei is innervated by ulnar nerve, and palmar interossei is innervated by same ulnar nerve. Okay. So this is the hand region. So how many muscles are present? 3, 6, 4, 10 and 2. Total 12 muscles are present in hand region. Okay. The main muscles. Total 12 main muscles are present. So the next last one is the back region. So human back consists of, again it's subdivided into 3 groups. First one is superficial group, and second one is intermediate group, and third one is intrinsic back muscles. So superficial group is associated with the movement of shoulder. So superficial group muscles are associated with what? The movement of shoulder. So how many muscles are present in the superficial group of back region? There are 4 muscles are present in the superficial group of back region. So its main function, what is the function of superficial muscles? It is associated with the movement of shoulder. Okay. So intermediate group next. Next intermediate group consists of 2 muscles, and its main function is it is associated with the movement of thoracic cage. Okay, it is associated with the movement of thoracic cage. Next, intrinsic back muscles. So how many? Again, intrinsic back muscles are subdivided into 3 groups: superficial group, intermediate group, and deep group. So what is the function of intrinsic back muscles? So it is associated with the movement of vertebral column. Okay. So superficial group consists of 2 muscles, intermediate group consists of 3 muscles, deep group consists of 2 muscles. So this is a general view of upper limb muscles. Okay. It is, friends, remember, this is not in detail. So in the next sessions we are going to discuss each and every region in detail. So this is a general view. Okay. So this is all about the upper limb muscle attachments. Okay. In further sessions we are going to learn each region in detail. Okay. Thank you so much.